video buat ngevlog.
So now it is durian hunting with some friends here. Some friends from the office, to be honest, here. So there are a lot of durians that are quite cheap and really tasteful you can find here. If I'm not mistaken, I just ate one or two because in my hometown I also harvesting durian. Beautiful morning in Senggigi Beach, but here there are a lot of people who try to sell you some pearls that traditional from there. Traditional from Lombok, I mean, but be careful, some are fakes though. So since there were a lot of people here, so it divided by 3 boats. One boat go directly to Gili without snorkeling, and 2 boats are going for snorkeling. And I'm in one of those 2 boats who go for snorkeling. Since I didn't bring the cameras, my GoPro's cameras, so this video actually taken by the crew of the boat who went down also with us and taking pictures and video for us. Actually, it should be 3 spots for snorkeling, but we ended up just 2. And the last one with the statue was skipped because there's a lot of people there. So just this and another one. Snorkeling done, and we went a little bit to have lunch and explored a little bit at Gili Trawangan. There's not much to do in here especially, but just hanging out at the beach and enjoying some locals foods, and also actually there are a lot of restaurants you can try here, either Westerner or local cuisine.